Hello guys, today I would like to tell you about the big project that is ZenChain. So let's start. ZenChain, a dedicated blockchain that is optimized specifically for DeFi and NFT. So we would like to more detail about ZenChain. The ZenChain Foundation is developing ZenChain, a blockchain especially dedicated to decentralized financial DeFi applications and non-fungible token NFTs by focusing on the functionality of the blockchain and dedicating it is specially to DeFi and NFT. ZenChain provide unparalleled high transaction throughput, reduce risk of error and intelligent features development specifically for the fulfillment of financial services for both fungible token and non-fungible token NFT on blockchain. So we should know about is ZenChain is ERC based? No, ZenChain is Binance Smart Chain on base token. What is this ZenChain launching? As planned, testnet will be in April. About mainnet product will be announced later on our on social media channel. Contribution to a network blockchain. So there are IDO launching for different platform. You will see this will be good project in future, and you will be see the IDO will be successful. The ZenChain is providing features that are scalable, high throughput blockchain, proof of stake blockchain built using to Cosmos SDK, which runs on top of the Trendmint core consensus engine that is built for DeFi and NFT with built-in core dApps for DeFi and NFT. ZenChain is ready for DeFi NFT ecosystem for start. Cross-chain support, cross-chain with bridge solution bring Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron and more. So features some sports and sports smart contract. ZenChain sports smart contract enabled by Kasam Wasim EVM technology. So there are different backed by Solana partner are Solana, Polkadot, Paydium, Ethereum, Cosmos, Cardano, Binance Smart Chain and Tron. Virtual venture capital is Matrix and other early partner are different. You can see in on the website, and there are core team for the development of this project. You can see here all social media links on the website, and you can also touch with Twitter and follow on Twitter for IDO run on different platform. So ZenChain mainly is Cosmos. We are also using Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Polkadot and Ethereum optimized develop our blockchain. So is ZenChain's allocator will be when will be listed. So in coming months this will be listed. So you can buy this token, ZenChain token from IDO, and you can also look at the project will be good and wonderful for the you can also check out the light paper where written about the overview of the ZenChain. ZenChain approaches decentralized as specific and critical segment of the blockchain community. ZenChain is a dedicated blockchain that optimizes specifically to DeFi and NFT applications. ZenChain does contain all core DeFi application built in this core. The chain not written by smart contracts like swap lending and insurance tab. ZenChain also contain all applications supported for NFTs like minting, auction, and trading. And social, especially with ZenChain, your NFT can used it is collateral in DeFi to make loan or staking in pool to extra token. So you can see here the problems. You can for in blockchain you can see the more ZenChain the solution for ZenChain give some solution to resolve the problems. Scalable high throughput blockchain with trade mint power, bridge from Ethereum, Tron, Binance Smart Chain, make cross-chain DeFi and NFT solution, decentralized pricing, Oracle built-in DeFi primitive built index lending and borrowing token IDO insurance non-fungible token application like a minute auction rent NFT DeFi bring power of DeFi ecosystem and DeFi to NFT. So thank you for watching our channel.